What if you could hire an entire team of AI employees without paying monthly salaries? Imagine having one AI agent that writes your emails, another that builds landing pages, one that finds leads, another that researches your competitors, and another that creates social media content, all working 24/7 while you simply give them commands. Sounds crazy? Well, that's exactly what the new Claw Agent AI claims to do. But is it really the future of AI automation, or just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the latest AI software, affiliate marketing tools, and online business platforms, so you can decide whether they're actually worth your money. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Claw Agent AI, one of the newest AI platforms that's creating a lot of buzz because it promises something completely different from a traditional AI chatbot. Instead of simply answering your questions, Claw Agent AI claims to give you an entire AI workforce, specialized AI agents that can help automate real business tasks, create content, generate leads, build websites, and much more. Now, before we jump into the review, I have something special for you. If you decide that Claw Agent AI is the right fit for your business and purchase it using my link in the description, you'll receive my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. Here's what you'll get. Bonus number 1, Email Marketing Mastery Guide. Learn how to build profitable email campaigns that convert subscribers into paying customers. Bonus number 2, Social Media Content Pack. Get ready to use content ideas and templates to create engaging posts across multiple social media platforms. Bonus number 3, List Building Profit Discover. Proven strategies to build an email list that generates long-term online income. Bonus number 4, Digital Marketing Video Course. A complete step-by-step training program covering the core strategies of digital marketing. Bonus number 5, AI Marketing Video Course. Learn how to leverage today's most powerful AI tools to create content, automate tasks, and grow your online business faster. Bonus number 6, Top 20 AI Tools. Want to get my hand-picked collection of the top 20 AI tools that can help you save time, boost productivity, and scale your business. These bonuses are designed to complement Claw Agent AI and help you get even better results from your investment. So stick with me until the end of this review because I'll show you exactly what Claw Agent AI can do, who it's best suited for, its pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your money. Now let's for demo video.
ChatGPT gives you words. Claw Agent AI gives you workers, not one. An entire team of AI employees working for you around the clock, all from a single message on Telegram. Here is the strange truth about AI right now. Everyone has it. Almost nobody is actually saving time with it. You still write the prompts. You still fix the robotic answers. You still jump between 10 tabs, each with its own monthly bill. And the moment you hear about those powerful, OpenClaw-style agents that can actually do the work for you, you hit a wall. Servers, Docker, API keys, terminal commands. Most people give up before anything even runs. So here's a better question. What if you could skip all of it? No code, no servers, no setup. You just open a chat app you already use, type one plain English command, and get finished business work back in minutes. That is exactly why we built Claw Agent AI, the world's first OpenClaw-powered app that lets you command unlimited AI employees, each one loaded with over 250 skills, right from Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord. And it really is this simple. Step 1. Log in and connect Telegram. Nothing to install. Step 2. Tell it what you want in plain English. Step 3. Your AI employees get to work behind the scenes, researching, writing, and building together. Step 4. Minutes later, finished work lands back in your chat, ready to use. Let me show you. The user opens Telegram and sends one single command. Scan ClickBank for the top 5 Gravity products in the health niche. Build a comparison review site ranking all 5 with my affiliate links. Write a 7-day email series and schedule it to my list. One message. Now watch what comes back. The offer hunter pulls the top 5 products. The review site builder ranks all 5 into a finished comparison page, with your affiliate links already inside. The email writer drafts the full 7-day series, and the campaign is lined up to schedule to your list. All of it from one command. That is the difference. Normal AI waits for you to do the work. Claw Agent AI does the work for you. Inside, you get more than 250 ready-made AI workers, a lead finder, a sales page writer, an email sequencer, a research agent, and over 240 more. You are not babysitting a chatbot. You are commanding a workforce, and you stay in full control the whole time. Your agents prepare the work. You review, edit, and approve before anything is sent, posted, or published. You can also build a brand new AI employee in about 30 seconds and train it on your own offers and brand voice. Nothing happens without your say-so. Whether you are an affiliate looking for your next offer, an agency owner buried in client work, or a solo founder doing everything alone, this replaces a whole stack of tools and tasks. Email software, research help, virtual assistants, automation apps, freelancers for every job. For most people, that is hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single month, paid over and over. Claw Agent AI brings all of it into one place. And during this launch, you are not paying monthly. You are not paying $197 a month. Today, you can get full access for a single one-time payment of just $57 to $67. But this one-time price is a launch deal. The moment this launch closes, Claw Agent AI moves to its regular monthly plan. Get in now and you lock in everything for a single payment, not a recurring bill, and you are fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it does not give you the workforce power you expected, just let us know and you get every penny back. So click the button below, get instant access, and put your AI employees to work today.
Now let's talk about the pricing. At the time of recording this video, Claw Agent AI is available for a one-time launch price of just $27, which includes commercial rights. That means you can use the platform for your own business and potentially offer AI-powered services to clients as well. As with most JVZoo launches, there are also several optional upgrades, OTOs, if you want to unlock more features, remove limitations, or scale your business. My recommendation is simple. If you're just getting started, the front-end version is more than enough to explore the platform and see how it fits your workflow. If you're an agency owner, freelancer, or power user, you can consider the unlimited or other upgrades later, but they're completely optional. The front end already provides a solid starting point for most users. Final verdict, so, is Claw Agent AI actually worth buying? After going through its features and overall concept, I think Claw Agent AI offers something different from the typical AI chatbot we've seen over the past few years. Instead of giving you a single AI assistant, it focuses on providing specialized AI agents that can handle different business tasks from content creation and marketing to lead generation and automation. What I like. Beginner-friendly cloud platform. No coding or technical setup required. Large collection of ready-made AI agents, useful for marketers, freelancers, agencies, and business owners. Commercial license included affordable one-time launch pricing instead of another monthly subscription. What could be better? Like any AI tool, the quality of the output depends on the instructions you provide. Some advanced features may require optional upgrades. There is still a learning curve to understand which AI agent works best for different tasks. Overall, if you're looking for an AI platform that can help automate repetitive work, save time, and potentially replace several separate AI tools with one dashboard, Claw Agent AI is definitely worth considering. I especially recommend it for affiliate marketers, content creators, YouTubers, freelancers, agency owners, small business owners, anyone who wants to leverage AI to work smarter instead of harder. Considering the launch price and the features included, I believe it offers excellent value for money, especially if you grab it during the launch period before the price increases. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI software reviews. And if you're interested in getting Claw Agent AI at the lowest launch price, simply click the first link in the description. When you purchase through my link, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package absolutely free, including Email Marketing Mastery Guide, Social Media Content Pack, List Building Profit. 1. Digital Marketing Video Course, AI Marketing Video Course, Top 20 AI Tools, Bundle. These bonuses are designed to help you get even more value from Claw Agent AI and accelerate your online business journey. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about Claw Agent AI, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next review video.